Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring an important topic for anyone interested in small-scale poultry farming, the top 5 most profitable chicken breeds for small farms. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your flock, understanding which breeds offer the best returns can make a significant difference. We'll highlight the unique characteristics of each breed and explain why they stand out in terms of profitability. Let's get started and discover which chickens could be the best investment for your farm. Selecting the appropriate chicken breed is a crucial decision for small farms aiming to maximize both profit and sustainability. Different breeds offer varying advantages, such as higher egg production, faster growth rates, or greater resilience to local climates and diseases. By carefully matching breed characteristics to farm goals and environmental conditions, farmers can optimize resource use and reduce losses. Sustainable choices often involve breeds that thrive on local feed and require minimal intervention, supporting long-term viability. Ultimately, the right breed can enhance productivity while ensuring the farm remains environmentally responsible and economically stable. When choosing profitable chicken breeds, several important factors come into play. Egg production is a primary consideration, as breeds that lay more eggs can significantly boost income. Meat quality is also crucial, with some breeds offering superior flavor and texture that appeal to consumers. Feed efficiency determines how well chickens convert feed into eggs or meat, impacting overall costs and profitability. Finally, adaptability to local climate and conditions ensures that the chickens remain healthy and productive, regardless of environmental challenges. The Rhode Island Red is widely recognized as one of the most profitable chicken breeds for small-scale operations. Renowned for its impressive egg production, this breed can lay up to 300 eggs per year, making it a reliable choice for those seeking consistent yields. Its hardiness allows it to thrive in various climates, and it is known for being resilient against common poultry diseases. The Rhode Island Red's adaptability and low maintenance requirements make it especially suitable for backyard farmers and small-scale poultry businesses. The Leghorn is renowned for its exceptional egg-laying capabilities, making it a popular choice among poultry farmers worldwide. This breed consistently produces a high number of eggs while requiring relatively little feed, which enhances its efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Leghorns are also highly adaptable, thriving in a wide range of climates from temperate to tropical regions. Their resilience and productivity have contributed to their reputation as one of the most reliable breeds for commercial egg production. The Plymouth Rock is a versatile breed, valued for both its egg-laying abilities and meat production. Its friendly temperament makes it a favorite among backyard poultry keepers, as these chickens are easy to handle and integrate well into mixed flocks. Plymouth Rocks are known for their consistent output, reliably providing eggs throughout the year while also offering a substantial yield of meat. Their adaptability and gentle nature contribute to their popularity, making them an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable, dual-purpose breed. The Sussex breed stands out for its remarkable versatility and reliability. Known for its excellent meat quality, Sussex chickens provide flavorful and tender poultry that is highly valued by many. In addition to their meat, they offer steady egg production throughout the year, making them a practical choice for those seeking both eggs and meat. Their calm temperament and adaptability make them especially easy to manage, which is ideal for beginners. Overall, the Sussex is a dependable breed that suits a wide range of poultry keepers. The Australorp is renowned for its exceptional egg-laying abilities, holding world records for the number of eggs produced in a single year. This breed is not only prolific but also highly resilient, adapting well to various climates and conditions. Its calm temperament and robust health make it an ideal choice for small farm environments. Australorps thrive in both free-range and confined settings, providing reliable egg production and easy care for farmers of all experience levels. When comparing the 5 breeds side by side, each offers unique strengths suited to various small farm goals. Some breeds excel in egg production, making them ideal for farms focused on supplying fresh eggs. Others are valued for their meat quality, providing a reliable source of protein. Certain breeds are particularly hardy and adaptable, thriving in diverse climates and conditions, which is beneficial for farms with challenging environments. Additionally, some breeds are known for their calm temperament, making them suitable for families or educational settings. By understanding these distinctions, small farmers can select the breed that best aligns with their operational priorities and resources. When sourcing healthy chicks, it's important to choose reputable suppliers who prioritize biosecurity and offer vaccinated birds. Once your chicks arrive, ensure their living conditions are optimal by providing clean bedding, proper ventilation, and access to fresh water and balanced feed. Regularly monitor their health and maintain consistent temperatures to reduce stress and prevent disease. To maximize profitability, select breeds known for strong growth rates or egg production, and track performance to identify the most productive individuals. Efficient management and attention to detail will help you achieve the best results from your flock. When raising chickens for profit, several common mistakes can hinder your success. Overcrowding birds can lead to stress and disease, while neglecting proper nutrition may reduce egg production and growth rates. Failing to maintain clean and secure housing increases the risk of predators and illness. To ensure long-term success, regularly monitor flock health, invest in quality feed, and stay updated on best practices in poultry management. Consistent attention to these details helps build a sustainable and profitable operation. Small-scale poultry farming offers a range of valuable benefits. Raising chickens at home provides a steady supply of fresh eggs, which are often more flavorful and nutritious than store-bought alternatives. Additionally, poultry raised in controlled environments tends to yield higher quality meat. For many households, selling surplus eggs or meat can generate supplemental income, making poultry farming both practical and economically rewarding. This approach also encourages sustainable practices and greater self-sufficiency. Choosing the right breed for your farm is a decision that can significantly impact your operations and long-term success. It's important to take the time to research various breeds, considering factors such as climate adaptability, temperament, and productivity. Each farm has its own unique needs and goals, so selecting breeds that align with those objectives is essential. By gathering information and consulting reliable sources, you can make informed choices that support your farm's growth and sustainability. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey through farming insights. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more practical tips and advice. Stay tuned for upcoming content where we'll explore advanced techniques and seasonal strategies to help you maximize your harvest. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable resources for the farming community.